Hello students, welcome to the world of programming. I am Swati Sharma from the Department of Computer Applications, BSSS College, Bhopal. So today we'll discuss on Java environment, how to write Java program, execution of Java program and where to write Java program. The main focus of this video is on the execution of Java program. So, Java environment will start. Here what is Java environment contain? Basically, it is a development kit or development tool. So, that development tool is also called as JDK. JDK, Java Development Kit. It is also called as Java Development Toolkit. It is basically a collection of all the tools used for developing and running Java programs. Java environment also contain classes and methods. These are the part of Java Standard Library, also known as API, Application Programming Interface. Java tool also contain Java and Java C. Now what is that? We'll see. Java is basically a tool, an interpreter that can interpret the class file which is generated by Java compiler. And Java C is the compiler which mainly converts the source code into Java bytecode. Now to write Java program. Here we have a program of C++. C++ is also an object-oriented programming language where Java is also object-oriented programming language. Now, what is the difference in both? We already discussed in the previous module. Now, we'll see the programming difference. Here it is a program of C++ where we are writing down the function, all the contents within the main method. Means here void main, after that whatever we need to print will write down inside the main method. Where in Java program, we'll see the structure of Java program. Java program, everything needs to be placed inside a class. Means whatever you need to perform, that you all need to write down inside the class. And the class also contain the main function. That is the main difference, that in Java your main function should also be within the class. So this is the Java program where the class name is first. And within this class we are writing down the main function public static void main string args. And in that main function, we'll define a function to print. Now, what we need to print here? My first Java program. So, system.out.println is used to print something on the screen. So, this program will give you an output, my first Java program. That is the reason Java is a true object-oriented language. Now to see the compilation of a Java program. How to compile Java program. Now the very first thing is, when we write down the program, we'll save it with .java extension, and that Java file is also called as source code. This source code compiler will take and convert it into bytecode. Now this bytecode is also called as .class file. This is a system generated file. This file is generated by the compiler of Java. Then .class file will be taken by the Java interpreter, and Java interpreter interprets this bytecode and gives us the output. Here you can see with the help of the diagram compilation of Java. Now, when we compare both, C++ program and Java program. In C++ program, you can see the difference in main function as well as in cout statement. In C++, we simply need to call cout function, while in Java, you will write system.out.println. This is only the structure of the program. The explanation of the program we will see in the next video. Now, where to write this Java program? To write the Java program, you require a notepad. On notepad, you can type your program. One thing that you should remember is, you will save this program with the name same as the class name. For example, this program is having the class name first, so you will save it with first.java. Then you will save this program in any of the drive. You can locate the drive and you just save it with .java extension. Don't forget to write down the extension with your file. That is how you will save your program. Now, to execute the program, you need to open command prompt. On command prompt, at first you will change the drive, means at first you will check where your program is saved. For example, if your program is saved in D drive, so you will go to the D drive. Now, how to change the drive? On command prompt, you simply need to write down drive name with colon. Then, if your program is in any of the folder, that folder is called as directory here in DOS. So, you will change the directory by using the command cd, that is change the directory. Cd space name of the folder. As you can see here, the name of the folder is prog. So, inside this prog directory, we saved our program. That's why we changed it to prog. Now, we need to invoke Java compiler on this DOS prompt. To invoke it, at first we will set the path of the Java compiler. To set the path on command prompt, we'll use path command. So, it is written path is equal to, within the double quotes, you need to paste the path till bin. Now, how you will open the path? To open the path, you just need to go to the C drive. Under the C drive, you will get the program files. In the program files, if Java is installed, you will get the folder with the name Java. And when you open that Java, you will go to till bin. Inside the bin, we will get Java compiler as well as interpreter. So, till bin, you will copy the path and paste it on your command prompt. Once you paste it, your path is set. Now, how you will check whether the path is set or not? You simply can execute Java C on the command prompt. You can also execute your program by invoking the Java compiler. So, this is an example, Java C space name of the program with .java extension. So, name of the program was first. You will write down Java C. We are invoking the compiler of Java space name of the file with .java extension. Once you click enter, you will see that nothing is displayed. If nothing is displayed, it means your bytecode is created, means your .class file is created on the same location where you saved the Java file. So, this class file you will give it to interpreter. Now, we are going to invoke interpreter. So, how to invoke it? Simply you will write down Java space name of the file. So, name of the file was first. So, you will write down Java space first and press enter. You can see the output of the program on the screen. So, that is how the Java program compiled. Thank you. In the next video, we will see the explanation of Java program.